Please welcome Executive Vice President and Head of Kia Global Design, Kareem Habib.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited to be here to share with you our vision for compact sedans. The all-new K4 combines elegance and athleticism. It's inspired by our design philosophy, Opposites United. It's both rational and emotional, as well as practical and dynamic. The K4 offers a premium and rewarding experience, fusing usability, design, and tech into a single comprehensive package. Looking at the side of the vehicle, the K4 has a sleek, elegant silhouette with a distinctively cut C-pillar. The clean body side is defined by a low horizontal crease that lowers the visual weight, and it is paired with the precise edges that frame the front and rear fenders, giving the car an overall technical impression. Also, high-gloss black trim expresses a premium image and a strong image, while the side garnish emphasizes its sporty character. Opposites United is evident here, bringing together the contrast of smooth elegance and precise technology in the surface language, lamp graphics, and wheel design. Moving around to the front of the K4, the Tiger mask is immediately recognizable. In combination with the low vertical headlamps, it gives the front of the vehicle a confident and technical impression. Both the geometric lower pocket in the bumper and the lamp outline emphasize the width of the vehicle, and so do the rear lamps and horizontal design. The rear is defined by the wide lamp graphics and diffuser expressing the vehicle's dynamic capabilities. Inside the K4, the width of the interior is emphasized by the expansive IP, and it is accented by a wide center screen extending from the driver to the passenger. Also, the three-spoke steering wheel and seat design give the interior a unique and driver-centric expression and further alludes to K4's impression of power and performance. Here, in the GT line trim, with the application of high-gloss black on the technical exterior trim pieces, along with the single-tone interior with off-white accents and unique garnish pattern, the sporty and premium character of the vehicle is clearly evident. The all-new K4 is a testament to the future of the sedan and a symbol of our belief that elegance and sportiness remain highly relevant. And now, I'm excited to give you a look at what's coming next, a 5-door hatch version, a practical vehicle that is aimed at a dynamic and urban lifestyle. The 5-door shares the same front and rear design, as well as the smooth elegance of the sedan. Ladies and gentlemen, with the brand new K4 sedan and the K4 5-door hatch, we have brought you two products that we believe are highly practical, desirable, and offer fresh new ideas. Thank you.
Please welcome Vice President, Marketing, Kia America, Russell Wager.
Congratulations, Kareem, to you and your design team for another incredible addition to the Kia lineup. What you'll find inside and under the skin of the all-new K4 is as exciting and unexpected as the vehicle's stunning appearance. K4 brings advanced levels of technology to the compact sedan segment. The available multi-segment cockpit display provides nearly 30 inches of digital instrumentation combined, a first in the segment. The technology behind it is Kia's new connected car navigation cockpit, which first debuted in EV9. The system processes faster than any previously offered on a Kia vehicle and enables standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all trims. The technology also prioritizes your needs, making frequently used quick controls available with a simple swipe of the screen. Or an even easier way to access vehicle functions is by interacting with Kia Connect's available voice assistant. Just say, "Hey Kia," to gain voice control access to functions such as climate control and audio. We're also working to enhance the Kia Assistant's functionality with the power of generative AI to be able to provide information on many topics, such as stocks, sports scores, owner's manual content, and much more. The Kia Assistant is designed to listen to follow-up questions and interact with the driver in a more conversational way. The K4 is also equipped with over-the-air update capabilities, allowing owners to download available digital features and services. On that note, we're excited to announce that as an expansion of Kia's partnership with the NBA, owners of K4 models and all other Kia vehicles capable of over-the-air updates will have access to team-inspired display screens. Through Kia Connect, owners will be able to download their favorite team's color theme and put their die-hard loyalty on display. Whether they're a fan of the Golden State Warriors, the LA Clippers, the hometown Knicks, or any of the 30 NBA teams, K4 also gets other popular Kia convenience technologies, such as available digital key 2.0 with ultra-wideband, available Harman Kardon premium audio, 4 standard USB ports, available heated and ventilated seats, and available seat and mirror setting memory on the driver's side. Another aspect of the K4 that we've elevated to new levels is performance and handling. K4 will offer 2 powertrain choices. The standard 2-liter engine delivers 147 horsepower, and it's matched with a new intelligently variable transmission that delivers a crisp, natural shifting feel. Our GT line turbo model upgrades to a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that sends 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Steering wheel mounted paddle shifters and sport pedals complete the sportier package. GT Line and GT Line Turbo models are also equipped with responsive sport-tuned steering and an exclusive multi-link rear suspension for crisp, confident handling. At Kia, we believe advanced driver assistance systems should be more attainable, which is why we're equipped K4 with the next level ADAS and driving convenience features. That includes 11 standard ADAS features, plus up to 29 available technologies, such as standard forward collision avoidance assist that can recognize vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, even in intersections, and available emergency evasive steering assist. Also included are customer favorite features such as an available blind spot view monitor and an available 360-degree surround view monitor for effortless parking and maneuvering in tight situations. Elevated design, elevated technology, elevated driving dynamics, all in a compact sedan, like nothing else on the market. K4 is expected to arrive in Kia dealerships in the 4th quarter of this year, with 5 trim levels to suit a wide range of customer needs. 2 more very quick things before you go. First, we are pleased to announce that the all-electric Kia EV9 is expected to begin assembly in the US at our West Point, Georgia plant this May. And it's further evidence of our commitment to beautifully designed, sporty, gas-powered sedans. We're going to bring out the new K5 that begins arriving in dealerships next month here onto the stage. So please give us a moment before you come up. I'd like to invite Eric and Kareem and our President and CEO of Kia North America and Kia America, Sean Yoon, up for a quick picture. Thank you, and have a wonderful day at the show.